Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Law Lee Quan. I'm a assistant and I am from Latika of Honeymoon. Today I am going to make a house and a little. I am very excited to show you how I build it. I hope you have fun enjoying it. Now let me tell you a story about the house and the leader. There is a little house and there more leader on the wall. The leader say hello. It is a tiny bar. The house is clean. The leader is happy. Thank you everyone. I hope you have fun watching. Bye bye.